that dog won't hunt. But I'd love to have corresponding angles. This would equal something here. I could do that if I knew what this was. Well, I know I can figure that out. This is 180 minus 94. This is 180 minus 94. And then, whatever that is, this one can go back and do that. Okay, well, would you consider collecting those papers for me? Yeah, go to quiz today? Oh, yeah. Well, let's look at what makes up this for my pen is here. We have three angles, bingo, bango, bungo. We know that's 40, and we know this whole thing is 140. Can we find out something else that'll help us there?
I know the answer.
Okay, go ahead, give it a shot. I think it's 70. Let's see. Exactly right, because from here all the way to there has to be 180. And so if this is 140, 140 plus something equals 180. Good show. Okay, Katie Kidd, how big is VOC then? She said this is 40. VOC. 110, yeah. Because that's 40 and that's 30. Once again, this is a linear pair, where my pen is now. So this has to be 180. So 30 and 40 is 70. Subtract that from 180. It has to be 110. Anyone not see that? Okay. Now we have COE over here. Okay. Advocate is someone who speaks up for others. All right. We're going to talk some more about the special angles. Transversal cut by a parallel line. There are 8 angles formed. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what their location is has to do with some of their properties, some of the characteristics, some of the... Whoops. No, Mr. Mackey made a mistake there. Okay. This is AOC. This is the angle. These are the ones we're looking at. So if this is AOC, we need the one vertical angle on the other end. What do you think it is? Sorry? FOD? Okay. I agree right here. No, but if you start, if a person of authority, like I am to you, would start fawning over somebody, then you could easily make an assessment. If I went over and I was always putting my arm around, Elizabeth here, and say, you know what, I think there's something wrong with that. Or she could say, I feel uncomfortable. Because you all have space. You've got space. When I get in here and I start invading a space, we're all going to say, you know what, I don't feel comfortable, with someone coming that close. All right, so let's go to the next one. All right, well, let's go there. They share a common side. What's the problem? The problem is the big alligator here also is including the points that are in this angle, so they're not adjacent. 1 and 2 are adjacent, but this big one and one of the smaller ones beside that, no, not adjacent. That's why we have to specify that. Okay? Here. The ones next to each other are adjacent, but the one across from each other are vertical. And finally, what is B in ABC?
Vertex.
That's the vertex. That's where it turns. It comes from the Latin word for turning. The Greek word is, in this case, where it turns. It comes down and it turns.
I don't know. I only have
All right. 9, an angle of measure is greater than 90, it's obtuse. I didn't leave that up here to start with because it's very hard to read that from the back.
I can read it.
About 2. Okay?
I have a
Now, we have another
question.
piece of the homework. The back, so bingo plus bango equals 180.